Hey, greetings from Fairfield. Today we're cleaning up the carriage house.
That'll take forever.
Not if we do it 1980s cleanup montage style.